This is my tall bike. Built it last fall, didn't film it for some reason, really wish I did. A little quick rundown, just two bikes welded on top of each other. This head tube is actually the top tube. From here I just cut it off and put it on, it was the right length. I welded a new steer tube on the fork to make it longer. And yeah, had some bits and pieces lying around and everything worked on it pretty good. It's hilarious to ride around, everybody's staring at you, everybody's taking videos, like I'm gonna cause a car accident one of these days because people are filming me while they're driving. But it's pretty fun to ride for that reason. It's definitely like puts a little smile on. Like if you're having a bad day, just jump on the tall bike and go for a rip, and it's a good time. But I figured, what's a better way to make this thing even more hilarious? I got a RGB IC LED light kit. So this LED light kit, you can change like multiple different colors along the strip. It's not just like one solid color all the time, and it changes to like music and stuff. So I'm gonna fit this on the bike, somehow mount it, like the electronics and everything, and then I got a little step down kit and a Ryobi battery adapter, so I'm gonna power it with a drill battery. So it should be all self-sufficient on the bike. And yeah, so let's just get into this project. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what's in the boxes in here. So there's two LED strips. They're like 16 feet long or something like that. There's the little control module and the clicker, the power supply. I've already gone through this. I've already cut the wires to make sure this is all going to work. So this is a 12 volt power supply because I got a 12 volt step down for the batteries. That's the reason why I chose this kit in particular, because there's like 24 volt ones and like all sorts of different ones. But purposely got the 12 volt one for this. All we need is this, chop this guy off, don't need that. And then kind of the business end of this, we have, I think these are actually meant for people that soup up their power wheels. Well, not meant for it, but that's what people use them for. I am a little bit bummed. Once again, I do have like Ryobi stuff just because the battery has this weird dong wiener that comes off this thing. It's gonna make it really difficult to mount because the Milwaukee ones like are flush and the DeWalt ones are just like flush. It'd be super easy to just like mount this to a board. I'm gonna attempt to make some little like sort of box to hold this all, and then probably screw it to the water bottle mounts on the bike. First step is I'm gonna make a little box to hold this all. Just trying to figure it out. I think I'll like put this thing on something and then probably drill a hole, like cut a hole for this to fit in so this fits inside, and then have some holes to hold it on the bike. I don't really know, I'm just gonna figure it out as I go, like I usually do. Okay, this is what I came up with. Starting to look a little bit like a bomb or something, but I think this will work. I've cut two little slits in the back here, which I'm going to find some hose clamps and just hose clamp them to the seat tube, and then the battery's going to go in, and yeah, does the thing. So this will sit just underneath the seat on the seat tube, and I'll just enclose this with two more pieces of wood, and then I'm going to paint it. Okay, there we go. Got our little box finished. It's pretty rough, but I don't really give a shit. I'm going to paint it purple, and then work on stringing up the lights on the bike. Next up, I gotta put the strips on. My thought was I would route them from like the BB starting, because I think they spread outwards in the string. And there, I'm not really sure how much I have and how much it's going to do, so I'm just going to get some tape before I pull the backing off here, and then just like string it around and see how I want to do it before I commit. I've temporarily just put all the lights on. This is only one string. Thought I was going to do two, but this is like 16 feet already on the whole frame. I'm just gonna plug it in, see what it looks like. So I think I'm decently happy with that. I'm gonna pull off all the tape and then pull the sticky backing off the LED strips and put everything on. And then I'll probably use like some zap straps in spots to hold it tighter. I'm hoping the sticky backing is good enough to hold it on the bike. Got it permanently stuck on. This thing is awesome. It's hilarious. I can't believe I did this. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the paint to dry on the box, and then I gotta find some hose clamps and I'll strap it on, but I think I'm done for today until this paint dries. And I can't ride it outside anyways because now it's raining and this thing's got a bunch of electronics on it, so I'll come back maybe tomorrow, finish this thing up.